Local 15 weather with Chief Meteorologist Derek Beasley.
But Derek, it was so beautiful over the weekend. What is going on here? I see a lot of arrows heading straight south on your map.
Cold weather is hitting us fast.
Yes,
yeah.
all that cold air from Canada is heading down our way.
Oh,
so
boy.
it's going to be cold for tomorrow, so don't expect any changes there. Make sure you dress appropriately for that. But looks like we have some rain in the forecast. That system we were expecting to come in Wednesday sped up by about 12 to 18 hours, and so now it looks like we're going to be dealing with rain as early as late tomorrow morning into the afternoon. Looks like a wet and cold Fat Tuesday across the area. We're not going to let that bother us, though. We're going to go ahead and let the good times roll anyway. 32 right now in Mobile, 37 Pensacola. You factor in a wind out of the north at 18. This is what it feels like. Here it is the first week of March, and we're still dealing with these cold temperatures, and winter just seems like it doesn't want to go away, and it looks like we will see temperatures try to warm up towards the end of the week into the 60s, but this is what we're dealing with right now. So by tomorrow morning, temperatures around freezing, but as the morning progresses, we're going to start to see rain chances creep up. So by 9 a.m., a few spotty showers around. By lunchtime, a little better chance, and by afternoon, that's when the rain's really going to start to spread across the area. Here's the system we're watching. It's now over the upper Texas coast, and believe it or not, it is cold enough in far southern Louisiana and areas in and around Houston for the potential for winter weather. If this thing had come in a little bit earlier, we could be dealing with some wintry weather here, but that's not going to happen. We're not expecting anything like that. Temperatures will be well above freezing, but we are expecting a cold rain here for tomorrow. I'll back out of the way so you can see this. This is what we're expecting. Again, temperatures starting off in the morning into the 30s, so definitely bundle up. You're going to be probably setting up downtown, trying to get a good spot there. It does look like those temperatures will be in the 30s, and we're still going to have a little wind around. And that means temperatures into the 20s and 30s. At least that's what it'll feel like. Now, as we get towards lunchtime, around 42, rain chances will start creeping up, and the rain should become more widespread as the afternoon progresses. So likely the parades that are most likely going to be affected, the Gulf Shores Parade, also the Mamga Parade, and the Order of Myths. So the earlier parades still have a chance for being affected, but looks like the later parades are the ones that may potentially have to deal with some wet weather here across the area. So here's a look at what you can expect. Notice here by tomorrow afternoon, the rain starts spreading into the area. Now, the RPM model, one of the many models we use, is slowing the rain down. At least it's not bringing it in as early as some of the other models, but you get the idea. Rain chances creeping up here mid to late morning into the afternoon, and widespread rain by tomorrow evening. And that actually should last through tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. So again, plan on a very wet second half of the day. Tomorrow morning just looks cold with a few spotty showers. These temperatures tomorrow may be a bit on the optimistic side. We may not get out of the 40s, but you get the idea here. It's going to be on the chilly side. Temperatures into the 40s to around 50 during the afternoon. Inland sections, about a 50% chance for some evening rain. Northwest Florida, 70% probability, especially during the afternoon. Highs in the low to mid 50s. Southeast Mississippi, 70% chance for rain, highs around 50. So everybody is going to be chilly for tomorrow. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Again, the rain's going to continue into Wednesday. We try to warm up a little bit towards the end of the week, and it looks like by this weekend, our best rain chance is going to come on Sunday. And I almost forgot about this. We have to set our clocks forward this weekend, so don't forget that. It's hard to believe we're talking about that because, you know, I try to associate with daylight saving time beginning
Warmth.
or ending, I should
weather,
say,
yeah.
with warmer weather, but that's not going to happen.
So we're going to stay cold for just a little bit.
Just a little bit longer, but again, just try to get out there and have a good time anyway, despite the wet weather.
It's
Move
Fat
around a little
Tuesday.
bit, keep you warm.
We're going to.
That's right.
Yeah.
Thank you, Derek.